Welcome back guys to Timesheet Portals. Once you install this module, so you will see this feature. But after installation, you will need to do this configuration. Go to setting users. If it's a portal user or internal user, no issue. Just assign the group. So currently I have portal user, see, and you can assign the group. I have already done, so I have too many assigned, that's why you see all the apps on the portal side. So see, you can also search here this one timesheet. Okay, so already the user is added. So the next thing is let's click on it to opens. By default you will see all the timesheet the current user employee have, and the filters on the tops. You can also filters and search only the projects assigns tasks to the current user. So you can also edit and view any timesheet, and also you can create a new timesheet from here. So let me try here. Okay, so let's select the date and any date, and also select here. Okay, so and okay, so any descriptions. Okay, so according to your requirements your descriptions you can write down, and however you will enter like 1.20 dot we call it dot. So see, you can also edit here. Just search in the Odoo App Store Timesheet Portal, so you will see this heading Advanced Timesheet Portals. When you open these ones, you will see under my names. Okay, this one on the right side. So I hope everything clear. If you have any concern or have any issue, or you need any custom development or customizations, so you can contact me. Thank you.